Time now to celebrate some birthdays on this Thursday, and we begin in Frontenac with Kason Mirando, who is turning 2 years old today. Happy birthday to you, Kason.
And we've got a kindergartner at Meadowview Elementary with love from Nana and Papa going out to Adrian Blackburn, who is now 6 years old in Parsons, Kansas.
And we've got Isaac Johnson turning 13 in Columbus. A very happy birthday to you, Isaac.
And in Joplin, Cole Lawrence celebrating birthday number 17 this year.
And we've got Kayana Goodall turning 18 in Chanute. Kayana, a very happy birthday to you in Chanute.
Some mini cupcakes there.
That is a lot of I hope that's 18 cupcakes.
Might be. And we've got Blake Guffey. All right, celebrating number 41 this year. Looks like he's been traveling and having some fun.
We've also got Sean Harvey over in Buffalo, Kansas, turning 49 today. Happy birthday to you, Sean.
Marlene Ashbacher celebrating birthday number 70 this year. And if Marlene is celebrating, her twin Maureen is celebrating number 70 as well. Maureen Barcelona. So happy birthday to Marlene and Maureen.
And we've got Jason Miller in Miami turning 49 years old today. Jason also happens to own a flower shop. And then we've got another special birthday here. Jason Fisher in Camden Point, Missouri. Just happens to be Chef Anthony's brother. He's over here, he's celebrating. That's why we're making chocolate chip cakes too. Cakes. Whatever. Anyway, Jason's turning, we're making cookies. He's turning 44 this year, so a very happy birthday to Jason. Cakes, cookies, it's all the same to me. It's dessert, it's edible, isn't it?
Yeah, happy birthday, Jason. You've got a good brother. All right, if you have a birthday or an anniversary, you can send them in. All you have to do is email them to us at birthdayswithans@koamtv.com or go to birthdays@koamnewsnow.com.
And Chef Anthony is here. We wanted to ask him, what else can they do? There's a birthday club they can participate in, right?
They can participate in birthday club.
Isn't it an awesome deal?
It is an awesome opportunity.
I think your brother should participate. What do you think?
I think I'm going to sign his kids up.
That's a great idea. And you know how you do that? By going to KOAMnewsnow.com and signing up for that KOAM birthday club. Because